Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammed bin Raza. My meeting number is MA19111. So here also my other group members, and we will be presenting about the topic of sustainable aluminium bicycle frame. Okay, firstly for the introductions, we're addressing transportation environmental impact, and this project aims for the first sustainable aluminium bicycle frame, prioritizing high performance and eco-friendly manufacturing. And the revival of eco-friendly bicycle collides with traditional manufacturing, and we're looking for green alternative to meet consumer demand. And here also the example of the bicycle chart for sustainability. And then we move to the problem statement here. The traditional bicycle frame manufacturing involves the resource and intensive processes, material waste, high energy consumptions, and non-renewable materials, and demanding a shift toward sustainability for ecological harmony. And the objective here, we need to develop and implement a sustainable aluminium bicycle frame manufacturing process, emphasizing the eco-friendly material selection, efficient design, and responsible production to reduce carbon significantly.
My name is Lim with matrix number MA20061 and I'll present about the material design and processing part. The most importantly, the choice of the material means for use in sustainable aluminium bicycle frame project essential because it should provide the structural integrity and the environmental responsibility. So the chosen material is 6061 aluminium alloy, which has a huge strength weight ratio and a good recyclability. This alloy may dispose of the provide for the bike frame with the necessary strength and can easily recycle. So for the machinery selection, first the CNC machining centers. The CNC machining centers can shape in the aluminum frame components with the precision. Recycling system. Recycling system efficiently recycle the aluminum scrap during the machining. The quality control tools can ensure the precise dimension and high quality finish for the project. The energy efficient tools can minimize the energy consumption during the manufacturing. And the most important, safety equipment. The safety equipment can ensure the workers safely during the manufacturing process, and the renewable energy integration can utilize the renewable energy source for the manufacturing. And the last one is the documentation tools. The documentation tools, it will record and document the manufacturing process. These all equipment settings will prioritize the energy efficient appliance and make sure the system integrates seamlessly. And then it can regular maintenance and calibration for optimal performance and the operator training programs to ensure the safe and effective operation. For the material testing for the project, the 6061 aluminum alloy suitability was ensured through the rigorous material testing procedure. This alloy was mechanically tested to ensure its strength and the factory resistance, which are essential factors for the bicycle frame for operation in a harsh environment. And furthermore, the corrosion resistance tests were made to ensure the durability as the bicycle will be used in the various climatic conditions.
So now we go to the sustainable material sourcing. The commitment to sustainability also includes the procurement phase. The acquisition of aluminum includes the sourcing the product from suppliers who are responsible in their mining and refining. The focus was placed upon the suppliers with certification for responsible sourcing and compliance to environmental standards, which correspond well with the general objective of sustainable development. So the material preparation, the first one is the aluminium pre-treatment. The quality raw aluminum sheets get a good pre-treatment. Then surface treatment or coating are applied to improve corrosion resistance. The second one is the cutting and shaping. Aluminum sheets are positioned to cut to the shape and them in the appropriate dimension for a bicycle frame. Then it optimizes cutting pattern, reduce material waste. The last one is the heat treatment, if applicable, in order to achieve enhanced mechanical properties of the aluminum alloy, like hardness and tensile strength. It can make sure that the treatment of heat is conducted in accordance with sustainable practices and energy efficiency. Now we go to the recyclability consideration. The construction was designed to ease the assembly of the bicycle frame, making recycling at its end of life easier. This closed-loop system itself is part of the circular economy as it lowers our environmental impact. For the documentation, it is comprehensive recording of the material selection and preparation process is made. This documentation would encompass the details regarding what specific aluminum alloy was used. This transparent way is to make sure that the stakeholders have some degree of accountability and traceability in observing sustainability standards. So we go to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Abdul Wahab. I will continue our agenda today, which is about the result of our report. Alright, for the first, I will continue presenting about the material preparation, which is to process, which is traditional and sustainable process. For the first material preparation, as a result, sustainable process, which is B, demonstrate significantly reduce energy consumption during the preparation of material compared to typical process A, which is traditional process. This reduction is due to optimized cutting pattern and minimizing waste as well energy efficient pretreatment. And next, for CNC machining, the energy consumption is remarkable lower in sustainable process B compared to CNC machining. This is done by optimizing toolpath and using energy efficient CNC machining. Sustainable strategy works on preciseness and minimizes the amount of energy that is not required. And for the joining components, there is less use of energy in sustainable process, which is B, integrity component. That the major part comes from the use of non-polluting adhesive and fasteners that reduce dependence on energy submethod such as welding or regular joining techniques. And the last for comparative analysis is surface finishing, that which is B. Sustainable process indicates a considerable decrease in energy consumption at surface finishing. This reduction is facilitated by the use of environmentally friendly coatings and finishes, which make it easier to create a product that's not compromise on quality while emphasizing sustainability. And we have gonna look to total energy consumption, which is the sustainability is bad compared to traditional process, which is the traditional process is more quiet in this sustainable of aluminium. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day. So I'm going to present for the discussion of our manufacturing process project. So first of all is for the material preparation. So the sustainable process B has lower carbon footprint compared to traditional ones, which is in process A. So when all factors combine, it will result in a total amount of energy being used less than it can be used elsewhere. So the next thing is recycling impact. So closed loop system for recycling aluminium scraps in the sustainable process B helps to reduce carbon footprint as less demand is made on new raw materials and energy intensive extraction process. So based on the table and the graph that have been presented, it can be clearly seen that the proposed manufacturing process contribute to sustainability. So environmental benefit includes lower energy consumption and reduced carbon footprint. So that's all from me. Thank you.
And lastly, for the conclusions, we successfully in eco-friendly bicycle manufacturing and achieving higher performance will significantly reduce the environmental impact, encouraging widespread adoption of responsible practices. And the sustainable aluminium bicycle frame project prioritize the sustainability at every stage, opting for the robust 6061 aluminium alloy, employing aerodynamic design through CNC machining, reducing energy consumption in process B, and also implementing a closed loop recycling system for aluminium scrap. and also emphasizing overall environmental responsibility throughout the manufacturing process. And to sum up this conclusion is process B excels and pioneering green manufacturing and successfully in innovations and performance and also the sustainability synergy.